Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I stopped by our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. I went shopping for coastal supplies and I picked up some shells. I needed more shells, so I picked up this one here. The little cone shells, I think they're called. I picked up one of that one, and then I picked up this one. These are like clams, baby clam shells. And then I picked up two of these. I don't know what these are called, but yeah, I picked up two of those. And then these are more of the cone shells, but it's in a different color. See, they have the brownish tone, and then these are like the dark tones. So I picked those up for my projects. And then I also picked up some more clothespins. I needed some more seahorses, so I picked up 2 bags of these nautical pins, and they do have seahorses. I take mine apart, and I use the seahorses in projects, so I picked up some more. They're not that easy to pry apart, so you have to heat it to separate it. So yeah, 2 more of those for me. And then I picked up the seahorses too. I thought I picked up 2 bags. Let me see. Yeah, I picked up 2 bags of these, and you get 6 pieces in each bag. And then on these seahorses, I like to cover up the hole on the top of the head. I don't like the placement of it. And yeah, 2 of those for me. I also did pick up 2 bags of the anchors, and you also get 6 pieces in those. And since I was picking those up, I picked up the starfish also, and then 2 more bags of those. And then these also have 6 starfishes in them. And I was lucky to find 2 of the garlands with the starfishes on. So I want to make a project with these little square cubes. I have a bunch of them from my previous purchases that I have yet to use, so I want to use them. But I really want the starfishes off of these, so I picked up 2 of these. I love the miniature starfishes on these. I also picked this up. This is a candle. It's by Surf and Sons, and it's a 3-ounce candle. I love this jar. It's so cute. Look at this, teal, and it has like a gold marble effect going through. And the candle smells really good. I'm going to use the candle, and once I'm done, I will probably fill it with some sand or some rocks. And what I want to do with this is create my own project. Well, I will be copying everybody else, but in a different form. In my own way. So I've seen ladies making like a stamp press. You know, when you're stamping and you want to hold down your stamp to the paper or whatever, and then you want to slide across, especially when you're doing like a platform, and you want to make sure you get your whole image, so they press down like this. And I've seen them using those chunky lid candle lids from the Yankee candle lids, and I didn't want the chunky lid, so I decided to go with this. And it already has that flat surface, so I don't have to worry about, you know, trying to fill in that hole or whatever. And the jar is really pretty, so see, most of it is done for me. So I also picked this up, and then this is the felt pad, and you get 27 pieces in here, and they come in different sizes. But I want the big wide piece that's in the back here. I'm going to use that on this on the bottom here. I've seen the ladies put like a cardboard, a foam pad, and then a felt material on there, and then they use that to glide across the glass. But I was thinking, well, why not just skip all that and use a really thick pad like this? See that furniture pad? It is quite thick, right? And yeah, I think that will work really well. And I can use this on projects when I need to press down on stamping platform. But I like it. It is really cute. I do love the smell of this candle. Look at that. So pretty. And then I picked up some more of these square blocks. This is a repurchase for me, so I was able to find some more at a different store, so I went ahead and picked up 3 more. I'm going to put these aside for DIY projects. But they are cute, see? I will love you forever. And then I also picked this up. It's an adhesive cutting mat. I picked one up before, so this is also a repurchase. But this one I want to disassemble. It's another one of those DIY projects that I saw on YouTube that I want to copy. So you can apparently make your own platform, but you'll need some sort of grid. So that's where this comes in. I guess if you want a grid on your new platform. Now I just need to find some frames or something to put this on so that I will use as the original platform itself. But I'm starting to collect pieces for it, so this is where that's going to come into play. And this is already having adhesive batting, so which is good. I also bought this. This is a coloring book. It says no problema. It's so cute. So, oh, look at this. I love the pages in here. I'm not going to color this. Not on this book anyways. What I'm going to do is to rescan this into my computer and resize them for my scrapbooking, my journaling, and name tags and that kind of thing. Look at that. They're so cute. Oh, I didn't see this. You get a sloth in here too. Oh, yeah, and then you get the cacti. That is neat. How adorable. So we have the sloth. I wonder what else we have in here. They're so cute. I love llamas. Oh, look, a jellyfish. Oh, cute. Well, there's other stuff in here too, but there's a lot of llamas that I can take out of here. And I can use this in my project. Oh, look at this. Oh, you know what? I want to make like an astronaut or outer space project, and this will come in handy. Like, look, it already has the helmet on. Those are cute, right? Dollar Tree does get some really cute coloring books. So when I discovered Dollar Tree, my children were already past the coloring book stage. So yeah, we kind of skipped that one over. Look at this, how cute! But I do have some nephews that are tiny still, and I can collect some of these for them. Oh, cute. And then, of course, my niece just had a baby girl, so it'll be a few years before she can pick up a crayon. Oh, look at this one. Look at the, showing off his teeth. Oh, how cute. But anyways, I love this, so that's why I picked it up. It's going to be for my future projects. That is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up the next time you go to a favorite store, the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.